Hello, in our previous video I showed you how to create new groups and manage their pricing in our B2B kit, which is part of Sylius Plus. Now I'll show you how to do the same with the organizations. Let's press Organization button on the admin panel. In this tab you can see all the organizations that are right now in our Sylius store. I'll create new one by pressing Create button. Let's give it a name, I'll call it Sylius. And fill all the necessary data. Now that we have all the information, we can press Create button, and we successfully created our new organization. Now, let's add one of the users to the organization. Let's go for the customers. Pick the one that's not assigned to the organization right now. We'll use our test one. Press Edit button. And here you can add it to the organization we just created. Now let's press Save Changes. Now in our organizations we have one of the users, which you can see here. Nice. Now let's go for the organization pricing list. Here is the list of the pricings for the organizations that we have right now and the organizations that I assigned to them. We will create new one by pressing Create button on the right. Here we can pick if it's a percentage discount pricing list or fixed one. In the group pricing list we created a fixed pricing discount, so let's create percentage one right now. We will need to give it a name. Call it Sylius list. We will assign the organization to it. Obviously we'll assign the one that we created. You can assign more than one organization to it, obviously. And here we can pick the discount that will be added to all the stuff in our store. The pricing list is enabled, and we press Create button again. Now let's get back to customers. Pick our customer that we added. Now let's press Impersonate button. Once we have information that it is successful, let's pick View Your Store button to see if the discount was applied. Now let's pick first object and check the price. See, the discount is already applied. Thank you.